Hi friends, all for art and art for all. On this doodle, I'm making sure I have a nice juicy pen. And I'm gonna go right up to that line and start with a pretty even square if I can. And I'm going to make a cross in the middle. And you know what? This pen is already starting to get a little droopy. So I have 4 triangles. And I'm going to start in the bottom corner and go up. So each time I start my pattern, I'm going to start in the bottom and go up. So bottom up, and I'm going to go to the other side, but not quite to the corner. So all the way up, and then I'm going to go to the other side, all the way to the other side, and go over the same space. So there we go. I'm going to go across to the other side of my new triangle and come in. And I'm going to go from this vertices again in the corner and across. And if I go from this vertices now across, and I'm going to keep going around, and I'm going to get a series of smaller and smaller triangles. And I'll get to the end and draw in one solid triangle at the end, and I can go along all of the places where I turn the corner and thicken that line. So now I'm going to start at the center and go off and to the left. So the first few I like to, when I'm making the longer line, I like to draw a target. So I'm going to start at this vertices and go across over there. So there's my target. And now I'm going to start at that vertices and go across. So I gave myself a little dot for my target. This is my new starting point. There's the dot I'm headed to. And that's my new vertices to start from, going across to the other side. And when it's smaller, it's easier to just draw a line that goes almost all the way across, just offset from the corner of a new little rotating set of triangles. So once again, I'll thicken up those lines where I change directions. And I'll start down here at the bottom and go up and to the left, out. Give myself a little target where I'm heading, crossed. Give myself another target. Going to the opposite side, give myself a little target. That target, target, target. And once the triangles are smaller, then I can just kind of zip across. Stop when I've got a nice triangle shape at the center. Make that one a little bigger. Thicken up those lines. And now I'm going to start from the bottom left and go across. And from that vertices, give myself a target. let myself see where I'm going. Across, target, across, target, and making a series of smaller triangles. I'm going to color in one last solid triangle at the center. Darken up these lines where I change direction and turn the corner. Thicken up the outside of my doodle.